Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were doing exercise 6.2, and that exercise 6.2 is related to division. Okay, so this was exercise that we have done in our previous session. Okay, so in exercise 6.2 we have already done up to question number 12. Okay, so from question 1 to 12 all the question was find the quotient and remainder. सो 1 से लेके 12 तक जो क्वेश्चन थे बेटा उसमें हमें क्वेश्चन एंड रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करना था. क्वेश्चन एंड रिमाइंडर, नॉट क्वेश्चन, इज क्वेश्चन. Okay, so we have to find the quotient and remainder, so that we have already done. So today we are going to start with the next topic from the division of the exercise 6.2. okay, so the next question is question number 13, 14 and 15. So they all belong to the same heading. The question is divide and check your answers. Okay, so this is the next question. So first of all, I am just writing the topic here. That is exercise 6.2, and the question is divide and check your answer. This is the question, that is divide and check your answer. Divide and check your answer. So this is the question. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखिए इसमें हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है. वी हैव टू डिवाइड फर्स्ट. देखिए इससे पहले जब हमने जितने भी क्वेश्चन किए हैं उसमें भी हमने सबसे पहले क्या किए थे, डिवीजन. बट उसके तरह इसमें भी हमें डिवीजन करनी है. बट द एक्सेप्शन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज दिस, दैट आफ्टर द डिवीजन वी हैव टू चेक द आंसर ऑल्सो. तो हमें अपना आंसर चेक भी करना है कि दैट वेदर इट इज़ करेक्ट और नॉट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डिवाइड. Okay, so as we were doing earlier, and then we have to check the answer as well. So देखिए अगर बेटा आपको याद होगा तो हमारी लास्ट सेशन में मैंने एक दो सेशंस पहले आपको बताया था, मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था इन विच वी हैव रिलेटेड ऑल दी टर्म्स लाइक डिविडेंड, डिवाइजर, कोएफिशिएंट एंड रिमाइंडर. इन चारों टर्म्स को रिलेट करके ओके आई हैव टोल्ड यू अ फॉर्मूला. मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था. ओके, so by using that formula we are going to check the answers, we are going to check the division, so whether the answer is correct or not. Okay, so let's begin with the question now. So the question number is 13. So we are starting with question number 13. The question is 25,914. Divide and check your answer. This is the question, and we have to divide 25,914 by 5. So we have to divide 25,914 by 5. 5 से divide करें. So we have to divide 25,914 with by 5. So let's divide it. So first of all we are going to write it in a proper, we are going to write it in the division format. So how to divide? So this is the method that we use to divide, that we use to do the division. Okay, तो चलिए पहले divide करिए. चलिए let's do the division first. Okay, so this is 25,914 divided by 5. तो हमें 25,914 को 5 से डिवाइड करना है. सो लेट्स डिवाइड इट. सो हेयर द फर्स्ट डिजिट इन द डिविडेंड इज 2 बट द डिवाइजर इज 5. डिविडेंड में फर्स्ट डिजिट 2 है बट डिवाइजर हमारा है क्या है, 5. एंड द डिवाइजर इज ग्रेटर देन द फर्स्ट डिजिट ऑफ द डिविडेंड. सो व्हाट विल वी डू, वी विल टेक द बोथ द डिजिट. हम पहले 2 डिजिट्स लेंगे. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स. ओके, अगर हमारा डिवाइजर छोटा होता हमारे फर्स्ट डिजिट से तो हम उसी साथ कंटिन्यू करते. बट हेयर द डिवाइजर इज smaller, so is greater than the first digit of the dividend. So that's why we are going to take the 2. So let's take the first 2 digits, that is 25. So we will take the first 2 digits, that is 25. So now we are going to divide this 25 with 5. So kariye. So let's read the table of 5 where you will get 25 or less than 25. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So we can write 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. 25 minus 25, nothing will be left. 25 में से 25 हमने subtract किया, हमारे पास कुछ बचेगा? No. Now still we are having some digits in the dividend, so we have to divide them as well. So we will bring down the next number, that is 9. Next number को नीचे लेके आएंगे, that is 9. Okay, so let's bring it down. Okay, so after bringing it down, we are having 9 here. So we have to read the table of 5 here where you will get 9 or less than 9. So let's read the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 5 twos are is 10. So that means 5 twos are 10 hota hai. So that means we will move backwards. So that means 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now still we are having some digit, the dividend, so we will bring it down the next number, that is 1. So हम 1 को नीचे लेके आएंगे. Now it became 41. अब क्या हो गया? 41. So now we have to divide 41 with 5. Okay, so now we will read the table of 5 जहाँ पे 41 या 41 से कम आता हो. तो देखिए 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. So 5 nines are is 45 and 5 eights are 40. So we will take 5 eights are, so 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. So 41 minus 40. So 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 4, nothing is left. So now we are having 1 here. Okay, but still we are having a digit in the dividend. So we will bring that one as well. Okay, so we will bring that one down as well. So let's bring it down. So it became 4. So we brought down 4 and that is 14. The number is 14. So now again we have to divide this 14 with 5. And we will read the table of 5 where you will get 14 or less than 14. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are is 15 which is greater than 14. 5 twos are 10. So 5 twos are 10. Okay. Minus 14 minus 10. 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 1, nothing is left. So here we are having 4. तो देखिए, अच्छा ये अभी मैंने ये नहीं, अच्छा now we got 4. अब हम next digit नीचे लेके आएंगे, but when we observe here, we can see that there is no digit is left. यहाँ dividend के सारे digits को हम divide कर चुके हैं, so that means this is the remainder after division. This is the remainder after division. Okay, so that means the quotient is 5182, whereas the remainder is 4. Quotient is 5182 and the remainder is 4. So note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, so देखिए this is the division only. This is the division only. But now the question is divide and check your answer. So divide तो हम कर चुके हैं. We have done the division and then we have to check our answers as well. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? So for that we are going to use the formula. Okay, आप इसी के नीचे करेंगे. You have to do it below this division, but I am just doing it here. So for checking your answer, you are going to use the formula, that is dividend dividend is equal to quotient, QUOTIENT, quotient multiply divisor, quotient multiplied divisor plus remainder, Okay, so this is the formula, that is dividend is equal to quotient multiplied divisor plus remainder. So this is the formula that we will use to check the answer whether it is correct. अब देखो इसको चेक करने का क्या तरीका होता है कि डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू, सो हियर वी आर हैविंग द साइन ऑफ इज इक्वल टू एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग द साइन ऑफ प्लस. सो हमें इसमें इज इक्वल टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन और जो प्लस का साइन है बेटा उसको यूज़ करना है. ओके देखिए इज इक्वल टू मीन्स दिस डिविडेंड, अगर ये जो डिविडेंड हमारा है वो किसके इक्वल होगा, जब हम क्वेश्चन को डिवाइजर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन उसमें रिमाइंडर को ऐड करेंगे. सो देन दे बोथ विल बी इक्वल. सो ओके अगर ये इक्वल आ गए दोनों, सो दैट मीन्स आवर आंसर इज, आवर डिवीजन इज कम्प्लीटली करेक्ट. सो लेट्स चेक इट. सो व्हाट इज द डिविडेंड? सो डिविडेंड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज दिस 25,914. तो लिखिए डिविडेंड. अब हम नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू पुट द वैल्यूज. अब हम क्या करेंगे, now we will put the values. So dividend is equal to 25,914, 25,914, this is the dividend. Here is equal to, here we are having the is equal to. Next is quotient. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 5,182. So ये क्या है हमारा quotient? So the quotient is quotient 5,182. Then we are having the sign of multiplication. हमारे पास multiplication का sign है. The next is divisor. So now we are having the divisor here. So divisor में हमारे पास क्या है? This is the divisor. The divisor is 5. So divisor को multiply करेंगे 5 plus remainder. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. Okay, so now we have put the values. देखिए हमने क्या सबसे इसमें किया है? We have just simply put the values of all the terms that are given. Dividend की value is 25,914. Quotient is 5,182. Divisor is 5 and the remainder was 4. So now we are going to calculate. देखिए आपकी dividend तो ऐसा कुछ रहेगा. इसमें कुछ हमने addition नहीं करना है. 25,914 is equal to, now we have to calculate this. So first of all it is given 5,182 multiplied by 5. So according to the board mass, okay, so first of all we are going to do the multiplication. So 5,182 multiplied by 5. उसको अप्रॉक्स में कर लीजिए 5,182 multiplied by 5. Okay, so this is a rough multiplication I am doing. Okay, that is 5,182 multiplied by 5. So multiply करिए. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 will be carried above. 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 41, 1, 4 will be carried above. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9, 5 5s are 25. So this is 25,910. So after multiplying 5,182 with 5, we got 25,910. ओके, अब इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके ये आंसर आएगा. नाउ हमारे पास क्या बचा? +4 होगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विथ +4 होगा. नेक्स्ट, नाउ अगेन 25,914. ओके, इसको हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे बेटा. इज इक्वल टू, नाउ फॉर दिस null x's we have to add 25,910 with 4. So 25,910 plus 4. 4 में प्लस करिए. 0 plus 4, 4. This is 1. This is 9. This is 5 and this is 2. So after adding 25,910 and 4, we got 25,914. Okay, so this is 25,914 is equal to 25,914. तो देखिए जब हमारी दोनों टर्म्स आपस में इक्वल आ गए, so that means our answer is correct. So that means the correct. This is therefore our answer is correct. So we have checked the answer. So this is the method that how we are going to check the answers. So first of all do the division, then put the values in the formula, and then you in this way you can check your answers. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 13. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye. Next we are moving to the next question, that is question number 14. Okay, so next is question number 14. So the question number 14 is, okay, that is, now again we have to divide and check the answer. The question number 14 is 18,306 by 8. 18,306 by 8. So now हमें 18,306 को 8 से divide करना है, and then we have to check the answer. So let's do it. Just a minute. 18,306 by 8. चलिए divide करिए. 18,306 divided by 8. So let's divide this with 8. So 8 का table, okay, so here we are having 8, here we are having the 1. तो again जब हमारे पास dividend का first digit हमारे divisor से छोटा होता है, so what we do, we take the both digits. So that means we are going to take both, that is 18. So now let's read the table of 8 where you will get 18 or less than 18. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So at 8 threes are we will get 24, so we will move backward, that is 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. 18 minus 16. So 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, nothing is left. Clear? Next, we will bring down the next digit, that is 3. So now it became 23. It became 23. So now let's divide 23 with 8 by reading the table of 8 where you will get 23 or less than 23. तो देखिए 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are is 24, which is greater than 23, so 8 twos are 16. So we will take 8 twos are 16. So 23 minus 16. 23 minus 16. So 3 minus 6 not possible. So it will borrow from here. So ये बन जाएगा 1. It will become 13. 13 minus 6, that is 7. And 1 minus 1, nothing is left. So here we are having the 7. Now again we will bring down the next digit, that is 0. अब 0 को नीचे लेके आइए and the number became 70. So now we will divide 70 with 8. अब हमें 70 को 8 से divide करना है. So we have to read the table. We have to read the table of 8 where you will get 70 or less than 70. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72 and 8 eights are was 64. So we will move backward. That is 8 eights are 64. So 70 minus 64. देखिए ऐसे 6 है, otherwise you can use 10, you can make it 10 and then 6. अगर आपको सिंपल नहीं कर सकते बेटा, आप तो वैसे कैरी करके जैसे हम पहले हमने किया था, बिल्कुल as it is you can do. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 minus 6, nothing is left here. Now again still we are having one more digit in the dividend, so we will bring that one as well. Okay, so we will bring that one down as well. So इसको नीचे लेके आए and it became 66. So again we have to read the table of 8 where you will get 66 or less than 66. Okay, so 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64 and 8 nines are 72. So 8 eights are 64, so that we can use here. So 8 eights are 64. तो लिखिए 8 eights are 64. 66 minus 64. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 6, nothing is left. Okay, next. So now again we are having no digit here, so that means जो ये 2 बचा, what is this? This is our remainder. So this 2 is the remainder. Now, so this is the division that we have done. Question है divide and check your answer. So we have done the division. So this is the division. Now what's next? Now we are going to check the answer. तो हम अपना आंसर चेक करेंगे by applying the formula. Okay, आपको बेटा इसी के नीचे करना है. So first of all, let's write on the formula of checking the answer, that is dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Okay, तो चलिए let's put the values. Dividend कितना है? What is the dividend? That is 18,306 is equal to, as it is, quotient. So what is the quotient? That is 2,288. 2,288 multiply divisor. What is the divisor? Divisor is 8. The divisor is 8. Okay, plus remainder. So what is the remainder? The remainder is 2. The remainder is 2. Okay, so now we have to solve it. We have to solve this formula. So check the answers. So to solve it, this will be as it is 18,306 is equal to 22,880. Sorry, 2,288 को 8 से multiply करिए. 2,288 multiply by 8. 8 8s are 64, 6. 8 8s are 64 plus 6. That is 77. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 3, 2 will be carried above. 8 2 is 16 plus 2, that is 18. This is 18,304. So after multiplying these two, we got 18,304. Next, plus 2 is also there. तब इसको हम as it is यहाँ लिखेंगे. So when we will add, देखिए जब हम 18,304 में 2 ऐड करेंगे, so what will it become? So it will become, here हमारा as it is 18,306 is equal to 18,304 plus 2, that is 18,306. देखिए now both the terms are equal. That means जो हमने divide किया है, that is completely correct. तो हमने जो डिवीजन की है, that is correct. Okay, तो लिखिए इसको as it is. चलिए, moving next to the question number 15. Okay, the question number 15 is also same. तो बिल्कुल इसी की तरह बेटा, first of all we have to do the division and then we have to check the answers as well. Okay, so the question number is 15. The question number 15 is 6. Okay, so let's divide 67,123 by 9. 67,123 by 9. करिए divide. 67,123 by 9. देखिए 9 को 6 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, so 6 को 9 से, so we will take both, that is 67. So let's read the table of 9 where you will get 67 or less than 67. देखिए 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 67 minus 63. 7 minus 3, 4. And 6 minus 6, nothing. Let's bring down the next digit, that is 1. And the number became 41. Number क्या बना? 41. Okay, so let's divide 41 with 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 16, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. So 9 fives are 45, so 9 fours are 36. Okay, so 41 minus 36. 41 is 36 minus karo, you will get 5. This will become 11. This will become 3. 11 minus 6 is 5. 3 minus 3, nothing is left. Next, bring down the 2. And the number became 52. Okay, so let's divide 52 with 9. So देखिए 9 के टेबल 52 है, उससे कम कहाँ आता है? तो 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. So 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. So 52 minus 45. That will become 12. This will become 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 4 minus 4, nothing is left. So we've got 7. Okay, हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या आया? 7. Now bring down the next digit, that is 3. That is 73. It became 73. Again, let's read the table of 9 where you will get 73 or less than 73. So 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are is 81. So 9 8s are 72. तो देखिए 9 8s are 72. 73 minus 72. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 7, nothing. So we got 1 here. So अभी देखिए ऊपर में हमारे पास कोई डिजिट नहीं बचा है. So that means this 1 is the remainder. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. So now we are going to check the answer by applying the formula. Let's check the answer. That is dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Okay, this is remainder. So let's put the formula values. Dividend कितना है? That is 67,123 is equal to quotient is 7,458. 7,458 multiply divisor. The divisor is 9 plus multiply 9 plus remainder. Remainder is 1. That is plus 1. Okay, so this is 67,123 is equal to 7,458 multiply 9 plus 1. So let's solve it. Check the answer. ये हमारा as आएगा. Okay. Now multiply 7,458 with 9. 9 8s are 72. 2 7 will be carried next. 9 5s are 45 plus 7, that is 52. 5. 9 4s are 36 plus 5, that is 41. 4. 9 7s are 60. 9 7s are 63 plus 4, that is 67. So हमारे पास कितना है? दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके we got 67,122. But still we are having 1 here, तो अब इस 1 को हमें प्लस करना है इसमें. ओके, तो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारे पास ये आंसर है. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड दी 1. ओके, सो इन दोनों को प्लस करके हमारे पास क्या आंसर आ गया? दैट इज 67,122. सो 67,122 प्लस 1. दिस इज हाउ इट इज 67,123 and इसमें प्लस 1 किया, दैट विल बिकम 67,123. So now as you can see, both the answers are similar. So this is, they both are equal. So that means our calculation, our division is completely correct. My division बिल्कुल सही है. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 15. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए. So This was from my today's session class. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.